Well, hello. Before I bed down, before it gets dark, I just want to make a quick video. We all know you need dry stuff to make a fire. But we also know that sometimes the moisture on the ground can get the stuff wet that we're after. So sometimes you just gotta look up. Let me turn you around. So you see these small twigs here. On my last video, you saw me use birch bark. But this is where I got this stuff from. You hear that snap? The more it snaps, the better. Here, let's see if this will. Yeah, but you hear that snap? That's what we're after. It's that snap right there. That one's still kind of alive. This is going to bend. Stay away from stuff that has the green on it. Well, okay, this one don't have green on it. Never mind. Thought it did. That was a leaf up against there. But if it's bending, don't mess with it. Sure you heard that snap. I had to do up against my leg because I'm with one hand here. But that was enough to get that flame going on that the last time I made a video. You see anything like this? It's basically off the ground. It snapped. That didn't, but no snap. Just trying to do everything one-handed. There we go. You heard it snap. Anything that snaps, snap, crackle, and pop like Rice Krispies. That's what you're after as far as wood is concerned. And get that. Now, not to say it won't be damp on the ground. When that happens, or if it's off the ground, it's still damp from the rain. That's going to happen. Scrape that bark off there with your knife. Get to the dry stuff. Split it. Do where you have to do to get that dry stuff that's in there. This bark on here will get wet, so get it off there. And you should be able to get a fire going. I will see you guys on the next one. Y'all have a good one. I got my hand out of the way there.